Ho ho ho! Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw Santa Claus together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw a rectangle for the base of the hat. Draw a large semicircle for the top of the hat and a small curved line on the other end. Draw a circle for the pom-poms. Trace the outline of the face with an elongated oval. Draw the whiskers, a curved line at the top, and another one for the bottom. Repeat it for the other part of the moustache. Draw a small semicircle and a horizontal line for the mouth. Draw curved lines for the lips and one for the tongue. Draw a circle for the nose and two smaller circles to the side for the glasses. Then draw a semicircle to join the two lenses of the glasses. Now draw two circles for each eye and two triangles for the eyebrows. Wow! Our design is taking shape! Now trace the outline of the beard like I do. Draw two semicircles for the ears. Draw the body with a large oval joining to the beard. Draw two curved lines for the belt. Two vertical lines and a small rectangle for the belt buckle. Draw two vertical lines for the edge of the jacket. Draw the leg with a diagonal line, a horizontal line, and another diagonal line. Then draw a horizontal line. Now draw the boot with a semicircle, a horizontal line, and a vertical line. Do the same thing for the other leg. Draw a rectangle for the arm and a diagonal line for the edge of the jacket. Repeat the step for the other arm. Now draw the gloves and make Santa hold the gift bag in one hand. Wow! Our Santa Claus turned out really well! Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use black for the pupils of the eyes. Use pink for the face and a darker pink for the ears, nose, and tongue. Color the lenses of his glasses with blue. Use red for the inside of the mouth, the hat, the gloves, the jacket, and the pants. Use brown for the belt and boots. Use yellow for the belt buckle and gift bag. Wow! Our Santa Claus is ready to deliver all his presents! Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!